In this video, I will show you how to split a single cell in Microsoft Excel. So guys, for any reason you want to split a single cell, I will show you. Like here we have this text and text not appear properly. So to split a cell, just move your cursor there. Now press Alt, hold Alt key and press Enter like this. Now click anywhere. So you can split a single cell. See here, these all are single line. This is the line 1, line 2, and this is the line 3, line 4. And another way to split, like you want to split this cell in two parts. So thanks for watching. This the way you can split a single cell in Excel.